everybody, how's it going? Hope you're doing well, and thanks for tuning back into the channel. I am about 40 miles south of the Twin Cities, near the little township of Whiterock, and we're going to hit a gravel road that runs about 3.5 miles, and it's a beautiful drive in the summer. I've done it many times in the truck and even on a motorcycle, which is fantastic, but I've never hit it in the winter, and I'm looking forward to it. Because this winter just doesn't seem to want to go away, so I might as well just enjoy it. I'm hoping it's not too icy, because there are some steep grades on this and some tight turns. But otherwise, it should be a nice, beautiful drive, so come on along. We had quite a bit of snow still, and I'm surprised that the road is in good of shape as it is. There's still quite a bit of ice and snow on it, but it's getting a little sloppy and mushy, and that's a sign of spring, so I'm happy about that. But there are some slick spots, so I still got to be careful. From start to finish, this road is about 3.5 miles long, and it's gravel the entire way. Nothing rough, nothing weird, just beautiful, beautiful gravel road. As this road winds its way through the countryside, you'll find yourself going past some farms that are right along the road. What I love about this road is it feels very rustic, but just before you get to County Road 19, you'll go over a modern bridge that crosses Bella Creek. I don't know about you guys, but that was a fantastic little road. It's called Whiterock Trail, and you'll find it between County Road I and County Road 19 in Goodhue County. And that's just southwest of Welch, Minnesota. And it is on the east side of Highway 52. And it's just a beautiful road, even in the winter here. And, you know, it'll be fun to come out here in the next few weeks or a month or so when the trees start to bud and things start to green up. It's going to be just an absolute beautiful road to drive. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And a subscribe helps me out too. That would be great. And go out, get lost, have fun. And until the next video, I will see you guys all down the road. Take it easy.